In this video, I will show you how I converted $150 into $1,500 in only 7 days. And I will show you how can you benefit and do exactly the same with my help. And on the other hand, I'm telling you, I have found the new Bitcoin. Everybody's looking for the new Bitcoin. Okay, people said, hey, Bitcoin is the new gold. But now I have found the new Bitcoin. You know what's the new Bitcoin? The new Bitcoin is gold. Gold is the new Bitcoin. Why? Because I think that Bitcoin is too much manipulated and is very difficult or impossible to make money with it. Hear me out. I will tell you exactly why I'm thinking this. My name is Ronnie. I'm from Germany. I'm in the financial markets from 1999. My first stocks I still purchased by telephone, tipping the numbers into the telephone, buying stocks. So trust me, I know what I'm talking about. 2016, I found crypto. I started with crypto. From 2019, I started trading. In 2020, I consider myself a professional day trader. So now, what's going to happen? A few days ago, a friend told me about trading gold. I was always overlooking the Forex market. Oh, nice. I'm in Mexico here, by the way, small city near Mexico City. And I was always saying, oh no, crypto's the best, crypto's better, crypto, I understand crypto, I get crypto. And it was like this. I made a lot of money with crypto back then, but I think now the rich, powerful people understood that they can very easy move prices with very small money in the crypto market, and it's not forbidden. If you manipulate the market, the stock market, if you do insider trading in the stock market, you can go to jail. In crypto, there's nothing like this. There's no clear regulation, there's no clear laws. So that's why they are trying, or they are manipulating all the time the crypto market. You know, somebody comes out and say, oh, it's a good time to buy. The sun says, oh, it's a good time to buy. Thank me later. And then there is some news, oh yeah, we have done this and this is good and we will do that, and everybody's happy. People open long position and think, oh, we need more money, so we open a leverage position, and 15 minutes later some news comes out, oh, the office of this and this guy said there is a war with Iran and Israel attacked Lebanon, and Israel is saying Iran is weeks away from having an atomic bomb. From 2020 they are saying this, you know. So there's much uncertainty in the market, and they're using this to manipulate the price of Bitcoin up and down, up and down. And Bitcoin is basically the crypto market. The crypto market is Bitcoin, Bitcoin is the crypto market, because all the other coins are basically mirroring what Bitcoin is doing. So it makes no sense to trade other coins, because it's just the same, you know. So then I started to get interested in the gold market, in the Forex market, and I started to trade gold. And let's be honest, imagine you have no idea about anything crypto, about financial markets, but somebody's telling you, hey, you know what? Let's do some business with gold. What do you think immediately? You think about, oh, this shiny, blink, blink metal. You know, even in the Bible, they're talking about gold, treasure. They talk about coins, whatever. So thousands of years, people trust in gold. Now I'm telling you, oh, it's Bitcoin. Let's buy Pepecoin. Let's buy Dogecoin. Let's buy Fartcoin. And you might think, oh, this guy maybe whatever. Okay. So first of all, gold is a much, much better and more trustful asset. And it moves really fast and really strong. It got trillions of liquidity. So it's very hard to manipulate the gold price. It's not impossible, but it's very hard. And you cannot just go out and say, oh, it's a good time to buy gold. And then 50 minutes later you say, oh, you know what? Oh, I forgot to say you, oh, there, yeah, the dollar is very good, everything is fine, and we have everything arranged and everything is clear, and the gold price dumps, you know. So you knowing this already and before saying, let's buy gold, it's not possible. On the other hand, hey, gold is not a good investment. Hey, sell gold. Hey, you don't need gold. And then later I give a, hey, we go to war with Iran. We go to war with Afghanistan, whatever, you know, and the gold price goes skyrockets. That's not allowed. You can go to jail for this. So that's why I choose gold over any other asset. So but the question is, where can you trade it? What's the best trader? The best trader, no, the best trading platform. I have a friend. He was trading in Vantage. He's working with Vantage. Vantage. Why I choose Vantage? Vantage, first of all, is regulated broker. Second, it's very long in the market for years. Third of all, is the sponsor of the Formula One team of Ferrari. Do you think Ferrari would accept any sponsoring before really doing a deep research? So if Ferrari, the Formula One team from Ferrari, did a deep research, why should I research even a single second on it? You don't think they did it already? Of course they did. So now, they have good spreads, very tight spreads. So if you scalp like me, I will show you later how you can benefit from it. I will show you exactly what's the next step to make money with it. No guarantee, but I just explain you what I do, and you can consider to do the same. So Ferrari accepted Vantage as a sponsor, so I guess they're legit. They have good, yeah, they are regulated and payouts very quick. I researched a little bit about opinions, you know, about the tech, about the, and it's very good. Okay, perfect. So now Bitcoin, you know, still an immature market, very easy to manipulate, not illegal to manipulate. They go up, down, whatever, you know. Maybe, yes, we will buy some Bitcoin. We will stake some Bitcoin. We will buy every now and then a little bit more Bitcoin, and but I want to be the best gold trader that I can be. I want to learn everything about about gold. I want to wake up in the morning, open the charts to see, oh yeah, that's the level. I know this level. I know what's. I want to see the chart pattern. I want to say, hey, yeah, I know what you're doing. You're little evil, okay? So that's why I want to focus on one single asset. Imagine before in crypto, oh, Bitcoin is going up. Oh, Doge is still not. Oh, we can jump to this coin. Who wants this? Who needs this? Nobody. Okay, so what I'm going to do is the following. I open a WhatsApp group. You have the link here. You can come into this WhatsApp group. I will I will run a free gold trading workshop. I will show you what I have learned in the last week, where I converted $150 into $1,500 at 10x. I will explain you now how. I have here a script. I have to find, did I forget something? No, I think it's good. So you can go into this WhatsApp group. It's free. You can attend the workshop. It's free. The one and only thing I will ask you for is, anyway, you have to use a broker. Use Vantage with my link. Why? Because any broker will charge you commissions, okay? Any broker in the world. The banks will charge you commission. The restaurant will charge you to eat food. The cinema will charge you to watch a movie. A broker charge you to trade gold or trade assets, okay? If you use my link to register to open an account, they will give me a cut. I will be very transparent with this. I think it's fair. You don't pay more or less if you register with my link or without my link. It's exactly the same. But as I want to give you free education, Vantage will pay me a share, cut of the money that you pay to Vantage. You have absolutely no disadvantage. I want to be very clear, very transparent with this. So yeah, a disclaimer. I think that's a fair deal. I show you how to make money. I get a part of the money that you have to pay. with me or without me to Vantage, to your broker. Perfect. So now, how did I make $150 or 1,500 out of 150? Very easy. I deposited $150 into Vantage and I got a 150% deposit bonus. Means I got another $225, so I was able to trade $375. I was testing it, and I was very much sure that I will lose this $150. Okay, that's why I just put a little bit money there. I used a very small lot size. What are the lot size? I will show you in the workshop. So then I lost how I expected the money. Okay, I lost even $170. You know, we would say, hey, you just deposited $150. Yeah, but I got N bonus, and this bonus saved me. So I kept just trying and trying and trying, and I said, okay, anyway, now I lost the 150, I lost 170, so now whatever, you know. And then I thought, okay, maybe I should not listen, because I was in groups, I was listening to other people, I was in forums. I thought, okay, let's just trade how you know to trade. I marked the levels. By the way, I learned everything I know from Daniel from Chart Champions. He's a very good trader. Follow him in Chart Champions and networks, or Daniel from Chart Champions. So I applied everything that I learned. I was, by the way, in a workshop with him and also other traders. Igor, very good trader, and also, oh no, I forgot his name. His German name, German guy, Simon, I think it's his name. I learned a very good strategy from them, and something that they use for NQ trading, and I used it for gold trading. So I was checking this, I've checked the levels and everything, and I thought, okay, use your own strategy. What happened? I made $50, I lost $50, so I was again 20 negative. Then I made my 150 back. Then I made 300, I doubled the account. Then I made 450, I tripled the account. I make 600, 4 times the account. How much do you think did I make in the end of the week? Okay, 1,500. So I 10 times my money. 10 times my money. I'm sure I would not be able to do this in crypto. So now, what's my plan? My plan is to convert this 1,500 to 15,000. Maybe not in 1 week. Maybe it's not possible, because from 150 to 1,500 it's very easy, because you use a small lot size, and you just, I always took like $10, $5, $10. On Friday I did 138 trades. 138 trades in one single day. Okay, so I want to scalp. I will show you my strategy. I will show you when I enter into trades, what is my lot size, how I calculate, where I take profits, where I put the stop loss. I will show you this for free if you register with my Vantage link. And then I want to try to bring the account from 1,500 to 15,000, from 15,000 to 150,000, from 150,000 to 1.5 million. So my challenge is from $150 to 1.5 million. And then I hope everybody will also invite me to his podcast, to his trading podcast. Okay. Okay, anyway, if you want to be part of the journey, I will, by the way, I will travel all the time. I will be, today I'm here in Mexico. It's a little cold. I'm near Mexico City. Next week I will be in the Caribbean, in the Mexican Caribbean. Somebody invited me to his house, beachfront villa. I'm not sure if I go, because they do crazy parties and all that. I don't have time for parties. I'm not sure. Maybe I will do it. You will be with me in the journey. I also have Instagram account, TikTok account. I have to hire a person. If you know somebody who can run this for me, yeah, please tell me. And yeah, be part of the journey, be part of the success story, or see me burn, crash and burn. That's it. So what I have to lose? I started with $150, so Even if I make $100,000 and then I lose the $100,000, it was still $150. You know what I mean? Maybe I would take out some money every now and then because I have to travel, I have to do this and that. So yeah, let's see. Okay, that's all for today. In the link, in the pinned comment, you have the link for the WhatsApp group and you have the link for the Vantage Trader. Okay, if you registered to Vantage, maybe you know already how to trade, and you thought, oh, I was not aware that it is such a good trader that is sponsor of the Formula One. Yeah, you get a deposit bonus of 150%. Maybe you are trading in another broker, you're not happy with them. Maybe you pay too much spread, or the payout stay too long, or you're not sure about him. Use Vantage. For example, you put $1,000 on your account. Yeah, that's Mexico. Sorry for that. You put $1,000 on it, you get $1,500 to trade, so you can trade with $2,500. You have a lot of margin, so that's very cool. Okay. So yeah, that's all for today. Go into the group. Let's talk about this. Use Vantage and be part of my journey. Be part of all the crazy stories, all the crazy adventures that I will, how you call it? Yeah, involved in this year 2026, because this year 2026 were very crazy, and who knows, maybe your life will change exactly like my life changed. I want to give some people money, some very sick boy, I promised him to give him money. I have not done this because he have a dream, he want to help other sick children, and also an foundation that helps people, children and families. They have children with cancer. I want to do this, and I want to buy a house for my family. I want to buy some properties also for my daughters. So I have a lot of things to accomplish. And yeah, be part of the journey, be part of all the travel and adventures that I will. What's the name in English? Please tell me how to do this properly, and tell me if you think it's a good decision to leave crypto and to start Forex and actually, especially gold, or you think, no, Ronnie, you leave crypto in the worst time, crypto is going to fly. I'm very excited to know what do you think about it. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.